24 hours a day, click on cbsnews.com. Brought to you in part by Walmart. Good jobs, good people, great opportunities. Come grow with us at Walmart. Digging out from Gaston, preparing for Francis. The Weather Watch tomorrow. Experience CBS News.
They say that opportunity knocks just once, but at the JM Lexus Golden Opportunity Sales Event, you'll have over 1,000 opportunities to save. Drive a new RX 330 luxury sport utility underpriced, or the ES 330 luxury sedan underpriced. The JM Lexus Golden Opportunity is our first 2004 model closeout, and the one opportunity you can't afford to miss. At JM Lexus, the #1 Lexus dealer in the world, on Sample Road in Margate.
Mega Money and Fantasy 5 tonight on CBS 4 News at 11, your lottery station. Now live, this is a Hurricane Francis update.
And good evening once again. Brian Norcross here in Weather Control, bringing you up to date on Hurricane Francis as it continues its march here north of Puerto Rico. And you can see the development of this storm during the day today. It is a classic looking hurricane. Look how round the purple areas are there now. It was 140 miles an hour at 5 o'clock, and it certainly does not look to us like it's gotten any weaker, and it might even have gotten stronger. It's on this west-northwest track that's going to take it tomorrow very close, if not over, the Turks and Caicos and the southern Bahamas. And then what's going to happen after that is the big question. Here are the numbers as of 5 o'clock, 20.5 and 65.9. There are the winds 140 miles an hour, moving west at 17. Now, if you do the calculation from South Florida to the hurricane and you measure the 17 miles an hour, that would put it here Friday morning if it were to come directly here, which is only one of many, many, many possibilities, and not even necessarily the most likely possibility, but certainly we can't discount that possibility. Pressure measured at 5 o'clock was 939. It's actually up a little bit in the last measurement, but still very, very strong hurricane at 800 miles east-southeast of Nassau in the Bahamas. Now, here is the future track. Storm moves by to the north of Hispaniola, and then Wednesday, southern Bahamas, that's tomorrow. Thursday, central Bahamas, but if we're all having good luck here, it's going to be off to the east and avoiding all of us, but that is not at all guaranteed, and actually some late information coming in makes us think that's at least going to come very close to the central Bahamas on Thursday. And then Friday afternoon, here is the circle, somewhere in that circle. Now, with this high forward speed, the thinking is that it's probably going to get here into the northern Bahamas, somewhere in here, or maybe it's over here if we're all lucky. If we're certainly unlucky, it's going to be down here, because obviously the further to the left it is, the worse for us. Somewhere in this general vicinity on Friday afternoon. Now, the question is, how fast is it moving? And some indications are that it might slow down in this area some, so that would give us more time. In fact, some indications it'll just slow down in general as it's approaching and making its turn here, if it makes that turn. So all those things are unknown at this point. We are just in a wait and watch and see mode. Excuse me. A lot of Francis talk here. But the bottom line is that we're going to watch this thing here for the next few days. All right, before I lose my voice completely, let's send it out to Maggie and Rob with election news tonight.
All right, we'll pick it up here. Thank you, Brian. We're following Campaign 2004 tonight and the state's primary election.
It is now, as you know, past 7 o'clock. The polls have just closed in Miami-Dade and Broward counties. A live picture from Miami-Dade election headquarters, where the votes are being in the process of counting.
CBS 4 News is in Broward as well.
Sorry about
tonight.
that, Maggie. They're being counted now.
There are no major reports of any problems in either county. We will be here monitoring results all night long for you. Look for updates every hour throughout the evening, plus results and reaction on our sister station, UPN 33 at 10, and right here on CBS 4 News at 11.
Now we'll go back to your regular programming. See you in 1 hour.
Well, this is even more interesting than I thought. At 29, Angelina has a long wish list of things to do.
I want to